Maintaining a beautiful lawn isn't just about regular mowing, it's about using the right machine for the job. A 42-inch zero-turn mower hits the sweet spot for homeowners who want efficiency, maneuverability, and power without going overboard on size. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best 42-inch zero-turn mowers available on Amazon. Let's begin with the Ego Power Plus 42-inch Z6 zero-turn mower, a cutting-edge, battery-powered machine that's taken the electric mower category by storm. Delivering the equivalent of 22 horsepower, this mower can handle up to 2 acres on a single charge. And with extra batteries, it can push up to 3 acres. It comes loaded with smart features like a high-resolution LCD interface, USB charging, Bluetooth connectivity, and even LED headlights. You can switch between 3 driving modes, control, standard, and sport, depending on your mowing style and terrain. What sets the Ego Z6 apart is not just the quiet, emission-free operation, but the advanced user experience it offers. It's built for those who want performance and tech without the hassle of gas, oil changes, or engine maintenance. For homeowners committed to sustainability without sacrificing power, this mower is a top-tier option. Next is the Cadet Ultima ZT 142-inch gas zero-turn mower, a staple for those who prefer traditional power and performance. This mower is powered by a reliable 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine and features a durable 42-inch stamped steel cutting deck. It's designed for maneuverability and rider comfort, thanks to its optimized lap bar control and high back seat with armrests. Popular Mechanics has rated it as one of the best entry-level gas zero-turn mowers, and for good reason. It's ideal for yards between 1 and 2 acres and excels at cutting clean lines even on slightly uneven terrain. Cadet's reputation for longevity, along with the mower's robust construction, makes it a favorite for homeowners who want a long-lasting gas model that can take a beating and still deliver. For another electric option, the Ryobi 42-inch brushless zero-turn mower deserves serious attention. This machine is perfect for homeowners looking for a quiet, low-maintenance solution that doesn't skimp on features. With a powerful brushless motor and up to 3 acres of runtime per charge, the Ryobi is a legitimate competitor in the electric mower space. What makes it stand out is the joystick-style steering system that replaces traditional lap bars, offering a more intuitive and comfortable driving experience. It also includes onboard USB ports, an LCD screen, and built-in LED headlights. This mower is especially well-suited for residential neighborhoods where noise might be a concern, and for users who appreciate a more modern control system. For fans of the iconic green and yellow, the John Deere ZTrak 42-inch electric zero-turn mower brings the brand's legacy into the electric era. Known for rugged reliability and superior build quality, John Deere's electric zero-turn mower is designed with residential users in mind. With features like a robust steel frame, intuitive control panel, and efficient battery management system, this mower delivers consistent results while reducing noise and emissions. It's especially appealing to homeowners who want a premium feel and a trusted brand backing their equipment. While it may be slightly more expensive, the combination of build quality and battery power makes it a smart investment for long-term use. Rounding out the list is the Toro TimeCutter 42-inch gas zero-turn mower, a high-performance option for homeowners who demand speed and durability. With a powerful 24-horsepower engine and Toro's smart speed control system, you can easily switch between different mowing modes depending on whether you're trimming, towing, or mowing large areas. The commercial-grade features, including a thick steel deck and high-backed seat, make this mower a top pick for anyone wanting pro-level results at home. Toro's reputation for durability and efficient mowing systems makes this a go-to machine for users with medium to large lawns who want to get the job done fast and well. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you narrow down your search for the perfect 42-inch zero-turn mower, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert lawn care reviews and tips.